Morning to everyone, welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video I'll tell you how you can clean your smartphone screen. See here, this is my Motorola Edge 50 mobile. Okay, and if you observe here, this is a curved display and I didn't applied any screen guard to this. So no screen guard, this is the company given screen and I'm using like this. And it is always better to apply a screen guard because due to the accidental uh, falling of this phone may damage the screen, but for my case I didn't apply any screen guard, so that whenever I use the phone, all the fingerprints are getting attracted on the screen. So here it is okay, but when I went like on sun, means outside sun area and everything, all those what is this, fingerprint marks are getting appeared here, and which is not looking nice. So I ordered this Derek's Clean and Shine gel. This is not a promotional video. Along with this gel, there is a cloth provided here, this soft cotton cloth. What you can do is you can just spray few drops from some distance, very little, okay, and make sure this liquid doesn't get contact with these areas, okay, and just gently wipe this. I'll be just turning off the screen, okay, and immediately all the fingerprints were getting cleaned very neatly. And at the back side of the mobile, I am not applying any more liquid, but with this just wet cloth I'm just cleaning this just for once. Means the camera, there will be some dust, right? Instead I can remove this what is this is the company given case, okay, the back case, the back cover. uh, I didn't applied any screen guard because when I apply any UV tempered glass or something like that, I'm not feeling that good looking for this phone, so I didn't apply this. But it is absolutely your choice. But instead of that, this is like I did the unboxing video and I kept in the description if you want check. This I got for like 70 rupees. And not only I'm cleaning the smartphone, but also I'm just cleaning the surface of laptop and also the laptop screen. See, when I do this, it's like easy maintenance for me, even inside also. But very careful when you're cleaning laptop screen is, yeah, mobile screen is okay, but laptop screen when you're cleaning, this is very sensitive. So yeah, right now I'm just confined to this video, like how you can clean this mobile screen. And yeah, make sure you won't apply too much of this spray, okay, just a sprinkle. And additionally, just I'm sharing my experience, I'm also cleaning this laptop. Yeah, this is the brand new Lenovo laptop. I just purchased like 2 months back. This is Lenovo AMD Ryzen 5625U laptop, okay. But this you should clean very gently, okay, very carefully, because laptop screen will be pretty much sensitive. So whatever the dust will just get removed, and this looks pretty clean. And I am not doing it on the touchpad. Remember, touchpad I am not applying any liquid or something like that. And on the screen I'm very gently, very gently, uh, because my laptop gets turned on as soon as I open the screen. That's the reason it just got turned up. But for the moment, what I'll do is I'll just close this. And same wise, except the speakers area, speakers for my laptop are given under this, so I'm not going for the speakers range but at the outside, and I'm cleaning this. So lot of dust, see here. And this mobile, after cleaning, this is looking pretty much good, okay. Now there are no fingerprints. I'm not able to show you on the recording, but all the fingerprints were gone. Yeah, if you like this video, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.